let's cut to the chase. Does Setmore offer a QR code feature? The answer, as of my last update, is no. Setmore does not natively offer a built-in QR code generator directly within its platform for your booking page. I know, you might be thinking, bummer, but don't click away just yet, because while Setmore might not have the specific feature built in, there are incredibly simple and effective workarounds that can achieve the exact same, if not better, results for your business. Before we dive into those solutions, let's understand why a QR code for your booking page is such a game changer. Imagine this: you own a bustling coffee shop that also offers barista workshops. Instead of telling customers to go to our website and find the workshops page, you could have a small, elegant QR code on your counter. A quick scan, and boom, they're directly on your workshop booking page, ready to sign up. Or perhaps you're a freelance photographer at a networking event. Instead of exchanging business cards and hoping they remember to look you up, you can have a QR code on your badge or a small flyer that takes them directly to your portfolio and booking calendar. The benefits are clear: instant access, reduced friction, and a seamless customer experience. QR codes eliminate the need for manual URL typing, minimize errors, and make it incredibly easy for potential clients to take action right then and there. They're perfect for integrating into your physical marketing materials. Business cards. Make them interactive. Flyers and brochures. Drive immediate engagement. Storefront windows. Capture walk-in interest. Product packaging. If your service relates to a product you sell. Event booths. Stand out at trade shows and expos. Receipts. Encourage repeat bookings. Vehicle wraps, mobile advertising with a direct call to action. Now, let's talk about how you can create a QR code for your Setmore booking page, even without a native feature. It's surprisingly straightforward. The key is to generate a QR code for your Setmore booking page URL. Every Setmore account comes with a unique, customizable booking page URL that looks something like yourbusinessname.setmore.com. This is the link we'll be turning into a scannable QR code. Here's how you do it step by step. Step 1. Get your Setmore booking page URL. Log in to your Setmore account. Navigate to your apps and integrations or booking page section. The exact location might vary slightly with Setmore updates, but it's usually prominent. Locate and copy your unique Setmore booking page URL. This is the link that clients use to book appointments with you. Step 2. Use a free online QR code generator. There are dozens of excellent, free QR code generators available online. Some popular and reliable options include QR Code Generator. QRcode-monkey.com offers customization options for color, logo, and design. GoQR.me. Simple and straightforward. QRSTUFF.com provides various content types for QR codes. Google's URL shortener, if available, though many have been deprecated. Search for current reliable options often integrates with QR code generation. Open your preferred QR code generator in a new browser tab. Step 3. Paste your Setmore URL. In the QR code generator, you'll typically see a field labeled URL, website, or link. Paste your copied Setmore booking page URL into this field. Step 4. Generate and customize, optional but recommended. Click the Generate QR Code or similar button. Most generators will allow you to customize the QR code's appearance. You can change colors, match your brand's aesthetic, add your logo, place your business logo in the center of the QR code for instant recognition. This is a powerful branding tool. Choose a frame or design. Some generators offer different visual styles. Remember to keep the QR code scannable. Avoid overly complex designs or too many contrasting colors that might hinder readability. A good contrast between the QR code and its background is essential. Step 5. Download and deploy. Once you're happy with your QR code, download it in a high-resolution format, e.g., PNG, SVG, or JPG. SVG is excellent for scalability without pixelation. Now you have your QR code. You can print it on your business cards, display it in your storefront, include it in your email signatures, add it to your social media posts, or incorporate it into any marketing material where you want to drive bookings. Pro tips for maximizing your QR code's effectiveness. Test, test, test. Before you print hundreds of business cards, scan your QR code with multiple devices, different phone models, both iOS and Android, to ensure it works perfectly. Provide a clear call to action. Don't just slap a QR code somewhere. Add text like, scan to book your appointment, or scan for our workshop schedule. Guide your audience. Placement matters. Put your QR code in prominent, well-lit locations where people have time to scan it. Don't put it in a moving vehicle or in a dark corner. Track your scans. Some advanced QR code generators, often paid versions, offer analytics, allowing you to track how many times your QR code has been scanned. This can provide valuable insights into your marketing efforts. Even without this, simply tracking the source of your new bookings in Setmore can give you an idea. Keep your booking page optimized. A great QR code is useless if your Setmore booking page isn't user-friendly. Ensure your services are clearly listed, your availability is up to date, and the booking process is seamless. Consider a shortened URL first. While you can directly use your Setmore URL, sometimes a URL shortener like bit.ly, which also offers QR code generation and analytics, can be useful, especially if you want to track clicks on the URL itself before it's turned into a QR code. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.